Well, good morning. Putting a little diesel in the tank here. A lot of people don't realize what all we have to do in the morning to get things, to be able to combine, get things going. Check fluids on truck, tractor, combine, top them off, they need it. Diesel. A lot of greasing. Somebody corrected me on that one time. But that's just some of the things we do before we're able to run. And it's a good dry morning, so we ought to be able to get an early start again. So Dad's not been feeling good. He's feeling good this morning. He's gonna run combine because I'm gonna need to be on the grain cart. Because this farm, it's several different fields and I'm gonna have to cart most of it out. And that's the way it is. So we'll bring you back when we get going. Well, got a combine that does 16 miles an hour, and I've done moved to the field and I'm having to wait on the header. I think they're busy talking. So there it is right there. So today may not be a productive day. We've got to move a lot. 3 acres here and then 5 acres over behind that house. And 8 acres. It's just a lot of moving today. I'm letting Dad run today for a little bit anyway. He needs to be cutting a little lower on this side. He does good for 80. Well, it's cart time. Got a little 5-acre field here. Knockout. This farm's done a lot better than the last one. Which these are full season beans, so. Looks like he's got a wad of something right there. And they were fungicided. I don't know. I'm on the fence about fungicide. We had some of them fungicided and some of them not. There's no big yield bump. I don't think I'm gonna do it no more. Corn's a different story. I think it really paid off. And another thing I'm on the fence about is seed treatment. Some of our seed was treated, some of it wasn't. Like I said, unless I can see a big difference in it, I don't think it's worth it. Man, he's cutting high. I may be on the combine before it's all over with. Well, we've run out of road and he's full, so I'm gonna have to run over some beans. That's a good thing. Good thing, good problem to have here. We're unloading backwards. Well, I've showed this before, but I gotta go down this hill and up another good one, and then down another hill and up another good one. Probably a good half a mile to the truck. And this old road's rough right down through here. Got a ditch right there you gotta watch. And up this hill. That's the last of the small patches. That's a 8-acre patch. And them beans look good. I'm starting to feel better now. I'm over this way too much. Foo Fighters about to get me demonetized. But we'll have a truck going to town. I hear they're about full up there bagging beans. I might have spilled a little beans there on the back. Like I said, I was over to one side too much. Got in a hurry. So this is the field I had cover crop flown into. Looks like there's a little bit of rye or wheat one. Supposed to be some turnips and clover. I see a lot of the rye and the wheat around in places, but we've been so, there's a piece, some over there. We've been so dry since I had that flown on. I don't know if the radishes and turnips and clover's gonna come up. Clover I have faith in, but we done been getting some hard freezes, and that's when the radishes usually die out for the year. So I may have wasted a lot of money on that, but you never know. And get back to the granary being full. Florence, Alabama loads out on barges. They're shut down. Bungie and Decatur, Alabama, they're on the river, they're shut down. Like I said, they're bagging up in Lawrenceburg. I heard last night that they had room for maybe 5 trucks this morning, so then I heard today they are bagging. It seems like that's running out of the rivers being low and running out of places to go. That's pretty common during harvest time. No more than I finished that last little clip, the manager of the granary called. The bagger broke a shaft that they cannot unload until maybe mid-morning tomorrow. So to keep going, I've either got to start putting in bins, which I don't want to, or finding some trucks. I was so wanting to get done here in about 3 days, but I guess you got to take the good with the bad. Well, he's about full again. It's doing even better than the outside round did. So I got a truck coming, possibly another if I need it this afternoon. Well, I just got word the other truck's here. I've got about half a hopper. I'll be full before he makes it back. Well, it's the game of hurry up and wait right now. May call the guy I borrowed the truck from and you have him send me another one, because that was a big grain cart, and probably what I've got on here and another hopper like that will fill it. So I'm gonna get off the phone, call him, see if I can get another one. I got another truck on the way. He said that and held 1,100 bushel, but he said that cart filled half of it up plus, so we're gonna need another truck if we're gonna keep rolling tonight. Well, I pulled back up here at the truck. There is a box down there that PTO goes to. It's got a clutch in it, and my auger will quit turning. So it's done it 3 times, and so I think I see a little smoke coming out of there. So there's a clutch pack. I may be done for the night, or I might can tighten it up. I'll look and see. But if I can tighten it up, I'm gonna keep rolling. If not, a friend of mine may have one or have some. So we'll find out here in a few seconds. Yeah, that's that clutch on the other side on the header. She's hot, too hot to touch. So it's not too far from dark, so we're calling it a night. See y'all in the morning. Well, good morning. We got our truck full, that truck full, yeah, and working on this one. We did come up with a clutch and shaft off of one of our old headers, so we should be up and going today. What I've heard, the grainery's not going to take beans yet so far. May later on in the day, so I don't know how much we'll get cut, if I need to find another truck or what. So far seems to be doing pretty good. I'm gonna take that back, what I said about fungicide. I think it is paying off this year on soybeans. I'm happy. Happy. I was disappointed in the last video. I'm happy today. I'm about to finish up this farm, or this part of the farm. Gotta go to a hillside that 2 hillsides what I took in this year. I don't think it's going to do what this field's doing, but it'd be nice if it was. Waiting on grain cart driver. I'm not full, but I want to unload before I get on these hills over here. Hopefully knock them out pretty quick. Like I said, those are some new fields for me. Hadn't been row cropped. I don't never known it been row cropped, so it's gonna be interesting to see what we do over here on these 2 places. I see the man coming in a distance, coming out of trot, coming in hot. Come on, come on. Come on up. Throw some fuel to her. They're not doing as bad as what I thought. Not doing as good as what I wanted, but they're doing. Well, I'm gonna let Dad run for a little bit. I'm taking a break. I got that hillside done. Maybe you can kind of see how that hill is. But he brought me a drink, was going to ride, and I decided I wanted to get off, stretch my legs. So we're back to making progress, maybe. Well, they called from Tennessee Valley Commodities and said that they could take 1 truck from us. They're back up and going. They're going to take 1 truck from each farm today and try to make some room tomorrow and Monday it's on like Donkey Kong, I reckon. But I've got another full truck that my friend brought up here, and a half full truck he brought up here. Got enough on the cart to fill that right now, but I'm gonna wait till the cart's full, and then gonna try to fill my truck when it gets back. I don't know how long he's gonna set up there or what the deal is, but we're trying to make progress. Got a nice little fall backdrop on here. And this is about 5 acres, I think. So when we get it done, may have a rider when we get moved to the next field. Well, it's time to take off the header, just go less than a quarter mile up the road. We got moved top the hill. Josiah's riding with me.
Your phone's similar to my dad's.
Is it?
Yeah. My dad's is like just like that. And you ready to? He needs a little. Oh.
So how old are you now?
6.
6.
Yes, I'm 6.
You were 3 when you first started riding with me, wasn't you?
I'm 3.
You was 3.
I can't really remember. I think I was 4.
Well, you got green paint or marker on your hand?
I got spray paint and green spray paint and orange spray paint.
What you been painting?
My dad's shelf.
Your dad's shelf?
It's not really like a shelf, it's just like a bench.
A bench?
Yeah, it's a bench.
Well, me and Josiah, we're gonna farm this field together, ain't we?
Yep.
All right. Well, we finished that field. Me and Josiah, we just been talking and hadn't been doing any filming. So we're moving to the next field. Actually going across the cornfield of mine to the next field, and we're going to call it a night. Just getting everything moved. Anything you want to say? You don't want to say nothing? You finally getting quiet? So thanks for watching. God bless you. And we'll catch you on the next one.